Let's make a duplex outlet.
Next project, gumawa naman tayo ng duplex outlet. So here are the materials. We have here the screwdriver, the screw to mount the plastic power outlet box securely to the wooden base. We also have here the wire stripper to cut the electrical wire, and also here we also have the pliers. Next we have here the socket, and we also have here the 16-2C flat cord. We also need here the ground rubber plug and the surface type PVC utility box. Let's remove the jacket of the cord. So let's strip about 3 to 4 inch from the end. So ang ginagawa ko dyan, sinusukat ko para hindi siya sumobra. Meron dyan parang kanal dun sa dulo. Then sinusukat ko siya para kapag binaon, hindi sumobra yung binalatan natin. So next step, we have to place the plastic surface mount electrical box on the wood. So let's fasten the electrical box to the wooden base using the appropriate screw and the screwdriver. Next step naman, insert lang natin yung magiging extension. So, ayan, tansyahin lang natin. Then yung may parang pa-box dyan, ipull lang natin yan. Tatanggalin natin para makalusot yung magiging extension natin. Next step naman, babalatan natin using the wire stripper yung cord. After natin mabalatan yung cord o yung wire, pwede na natin dyan ilagay yung duplex utility box cover. Then, lagyan ulit natin ng screw. Then, baon natin using the screwdriver. So, kailangan nakaano din yan, nakabaon yung mga screw, walang nakaangat. Then, after natin mailagay yung cover, doon naman tayo sa male plug. Tanggalin lang natin yung cover and ilusot natin yung cord. Then, magbabalat ulit tayo dyan, mga 3 to 4 inch using the wire stripper. Then, after natin mabalatan, i-bend lang natin using the screwdriver. Then, ilalagay natin siya doon sa male plug. Then, ibabaon natin kasabay nung babaon natin doon sa ating mga screw ng male plug. So, after that, pwede na natin ilagay yung cover ng ating male plug. Then, itry po natin kung gumana po ang ating duplex. Wow!